Most people think eggs are the gold standard for protein, and they are good. But what if I told you there's a natural food that has 20 times more protein than eggs, and it's something most people have never even considered eating? After age 60, your body starts losing muscle. Not because you're lazy, not because you don't exercise enough, but because your cells literally can't rebuild the way they used to. That's called sarcopenia, and it's deadly. Today, I'm going to share the secret food that can reverse muscle loss even in your 70s, 80s, or 90s. It's not a supplement. It's not a powder. It's real food, and science now shows it can rebuild muscle tissue faster than any animal protein on Earth. So grab a seat, because what you'll learn today might change the way you eat for the rest of your life. You know, one of the most heartbreaking things I see as a doctor is when someone who's always been active, independent, and full of life suddenly starts to lose their strength after 60. They tell me, "Doc, I'm eating healthy, I'm walking every day, I'm doing everything right, but I'm still getting weaker." Maybe they notice they can't lift the same groceries they used to, or they get tired halfway through mowing the lawn. For some, it's a small thing, like having trouble opening a jar or climbing stairs, but these little moments are signs of something much bigger happening inside the body. What's really going on is something called sarcopenia. That's just a fancy medical term for muscle loss due to aging. But here's the truth most doctors never explain clearly. This isn't some random, inevitable thing that happens just because you have more candles on your birthday cake. Sarcopenia starts when your body begins breaking down muscle faster than it rebuilds it. It's like your muscle repair crew goes on strike, and over time, you end up losing lean tissue without even noticing it. And that's not just about looking thinner or weaker. It's deadly serious. Muscle is your body's reserve tank. It keeps your metabolism strong, your balance steady, your energy up, and your immune system sharp. When you lose muscle, you don't just lose strength, you lose protection. It's what keeps you from falling, what helps you stand up from a chair, what lets you carry your grandkids, and even what helps regulate your blood sugar and hormones. I've had patients who said, "I just don't feel as steady anymore." They start holding on to railings, walking slower, and avoiding stairs. Before they know it, their world gets smaller. They stop going out. They stop doing the things they love, all because their body isn't supporting them the way it used to. And it's not because they're lazy. It's not because they're doing something wrong. It's because their muscles are starving. Now, you might think, "But I eat plenty, Doc. I have my toast, fruit, maybe an egg for breakfast, a little chicken for dinner." And sure, that sounds like what every so-called healthy diet plan recommends. But here's the problem. Most people over 60 aren't eating enough proteins. And even when they are, they're eating the wrong kinds. See, your body becomes less efficient at using protein as you age. You could be eating the same amount you did at 30, but your body's ability to turn that protein into muscle is cut almost in half by the time you hit 60. I like to explain it this way. Imagine you're trying to build a house and you've got all the tools ready, but the delivery truck only brings half the building materials. That's what happens when you don't give your body enough high-quality protein. You can't rebuild the structure, your muscles, without the right materials. Let me give you an example. One of my patients, Bill, used to be a pretty strong guy. Worked in his garden, did his own repairs, stayed busy. Then one day he told me he just couldn't lift the bags of soil anymore. He said, "I don't get it. I'm eating my eggs every morning and my chicken sandwich for lunch. Why am I still losing muscle?" We ran some tests and sure enough, he was losing lean mass fast. The problem wasn't that he wasn't eating protein. It was that his body wasn't getting the kind it could actually use efficiently at his age. Another woman, Martha, had a similar story. She was doing yoga, eating salads, drinking protein shakes, and still felt weaker every year. She said, "Doc, I can't even stand up from the couch without using my arms. That's not a strength problem. That's a muscle loss crisis." And when I showed her how protein works differently after 60, her eyes opened wide. Here's the big takeaway. After 60, protein isn't just about building biceps. It's about Sez's survival. It's about keeping your independence, your mobility, your dignity. The muscles in your legs, your back, your hands, they're the foundation of your health. Lose them, and everything else starts to crumble. But let's get real. Most seniors today are eating less protein than ever before. They've been told to avoid red meat, skip animal fats, and eat more grains and fruit. So they're loading up on carbs and fiber, thinking they're being healthy, while their muscles are literally wasting away. That healthy oatmeal breakfast isn't giving your body what it needs to maintain lean tissue. And every decade that goes by, it gets harder to rebuild what's lost. Protein is your lifeline. It's the fuel that keeps your body in repair mode instead of breakdown mode. And it's not just about how much you eat. It's about the quality, the digestibility, and the nutrient density that comes with it. You can eat a dozen eggs and still not give your muscles what they truly need to grow back stronger. Now, here's the shocking part. The protein in eggs, meat, or whey might not be the best choice if you're over 60. There's a far more powerful, ancient food that rebuilds muscle cells 20 times faster. Let's talk about it. It's pure, natural, low in carbs, packed with every amino acid your muscles crave, and it's been eaten by humans for thousands of years, long before supplements, shakes, and powders were ever invented. Our ancestors depended on this one food to survive harsh winters, recover from injury, and stay strong well into old age. This food wasn't fancy, it wasn't expensive, but it worked, and it still works today. Most people overlook it because it's not trendy, it's not on any diet commercial, and honestly, it doesn't sound exciting at first. But if you care about strength, energy, and longevity after 60, this food is a game changer. I'm talking about beef liver. Yes, liver, the old-fashioned, nutrient-packed organ meat your grandparents probably ate, but most people now avoid. Before you turn up your nose, hear me out. Ounce for ounce, liver is one of the most powerful sources of usable protein on the planet. It's not just high protein, it's loaded with bioavailable protein, meaning your body can actually use it efficiently. In fact, when it comes to repairing and rebuilding muscle cells, liver delivers up to 20 times more usable amino acids than an egg. That's not hype, that's biology. Let's break that down. Your body doesn't just need protein. It needs the right building blocks, amino acids, in the right ratios. The older you get, the harder it is for your body to convert protein from food into new muscle tissue. Regular sources like eggs, chicken breast, or whey protein are good, but they often lack the full spectrum of nutrients needed for synthesis. Liver, on the other hand, provides a complete amino acid profile plus critical cofactors like heme iron, vitamin B12, folate, zinc, copper, and CoQ10. These aren't just nice add-ons, they're the spark plugs that make your muscle building engine run. Imagine trying to build a house without nails or screws. That's what happens when you're eating protein without the cofactors your body needs to actually rebuild muscle cells. Liver gives you all of it in one natural package. That's why traditional cultures didn't waste it. They knew instinctively that organ meats were sacred foods, especially for elders and recovering warriors. In many hunter-gatherer tribes, the liver was their first part of the animal eaten, often shared with the oldest members of the community because they understood it restored vitality. And here's the part that shocked me when I really dug into the science. The nutrients in liver don't just build muscle, they help your mitochondria. The powerhouses inside your cells work better. That means better energy, sharper focus, and faster recovery. Heme iron keeps your blood oxygen, rich B12 keeps your nerves firing, and CoQ10 fuels your cells to produce energy more efficiently. It's like giving your body the most advanced repair kit nature ever designed. I used to tell my patients to eat more chicken breast, maybe add a scoop of protein powder or two. That's what we were all taught in medical school and in nutrition classes. But when I looked deeper, when I started comparing the nutrient density of real foods, it wasn't even close. Chicken breast is lean, sure, but it's missing half the vitamins and minerals your body needs to use that protein. Eggs are excellent, but their nutrient to protein ratio is nowhere near what liver offers. Whey shakes, they might give you a temporary bump, but they don't deliver the cofactors that trigger true tissue repair. Liver wins every single time. It's nature's multivitamin, but better, because it's not synthetic, not isolated, and not created in a lab. Every nutrient is in perfect balance, exactly how your body was designed to absorb it. And when you combine that with its amino acid density, you've got a food that doesn't just stop muscle loss, it can reverse it. I've had older patients who started adding small amounts of liver to their weekly meals, just a few ounces once or twice a week, and within a month they noticed real changes. Their grip strength improved, they had more stamina during walks, and that constant fatigue started to fade. One man told me, "Doc, I don't get winded carrying the groceries anymore." That's not magic. That's your body finally getting what it's been missing. And this isn't just anecdotal. Studies on nutrient bioavailability show that organ meats like liver contain more absorbable iron, B12, and protein per ounce than any other food. It's like hitting a nutritional jackpot your body actually recognizes and knows how to use. For people over 60 whose digestive efficiency and protein metabolism are slowing down, that matters more than ever, because it's not about how much protein you eat, it's about how much your body can use. The beauty of liver is that it's also incredibly low in carbs, making it perfect for anyone watching blood sugar or insulin levels. And because it's packed with essential fats, it doesn't just feed your muscles, it supports your hormones, your brain, and your heart as well. It's the kind of whole body nutrition that modern diets simply don't provide anymore. So if you're over 60 and wondering why your muscles just don't respond the way they used to, this might be the missing link. It's not about eating more, it's about eating smarter. Our ancestors didn't need protein powders, fortified cereals, or fancy supplements. They ate from the animal nose to tail, and they stayed strong long past the age most people today start falling apart. That's the kind of wisdom we've lost, and it's time to bring it back. This one simple food can nourish your muscles, recharge your energy, and help your body repair itself at the cellular level. So, if you're over 60 and still think eggs are enough, wait until you see how this food changes your muscle recovery in just weeks now. I'm not saying you need to eat raw liver every day. That's not what this is about. You don't have to turn your kitchen into some kind of survival camp or eat food that makes you gag just to get results. The goal here is simple. Use this food wisely, safely, and in a way that actually fits into your life. You can rebuild strength and muscle after 60 without doing anything extreme or unpleasant. Here's how you do it. Start small. You don't need a plate full of liver to see results. A few ounces once or twice a week is plenty. Think of it like a nutrient booster, not a main course. You can saute it lightly in butter or beef tallow until it's just cooked through, not dry or rubbery. That way you keep those fragile vitamins intact. A small serving like that is enough to flood your body with amino acids, B vitamins, iron, and CoQ10, the exact nutrients your muscle cells are starving for. Now, I get it. Some people just can't get past the taste. It's strong, metallic, and different from what most of us grew up eating. That's fine. You don't have to force it down. There's another option, desiccated liver capsules. These are simply dried, powdered liver put into capsules. No chemicals, no fillers, just pure organ meat. You can find high-quality ones sourced from grass-fed, pasture-raised cattle. That's key. You want liver from animals that lived and ate the way nature intended without hormones or antibiotics. Those nutrients are richer, cleaner, and far more effective. For those who prefer to eat it, sourcing matters just as much. Look for grass-fed beef liver from a trusted local farm or butcher. Avoid anything that comes from factory, farmed animals. Their organs often carry residues from the grain, soy, and hormones they were fed. You don't want that. You want the kind of liver your ancestors would have eaten. Clean, natural, and full of life, giving nutrients. As for how much you need, it's surprisingly little. Just 3 to 4 ounces once or twice a week gives your body everything it needs to support muscle repair. You can even chop it up finely and mix it with ground beef to make it more palatable. Most people won't even notice it's there. A 4-to-1 ratio of ground beef to liver is perfect. That way, you get all the benefits without the strong taste. Now let's talk about something most people don't realize, why they keep eating protein but still can't build muscle. You see, your body can't build new tissue if it doesn't have the cofactors to activate the process. It's not just about how much protein you eat, it's about whether your body can actually use it. That's where most people fall short. After 60, your stomach acid tends to decline, which means you're not breaking down protein efficiently. Add to that a lack of vitamin B6, zinc, and iron, all essential for muscle synthesis. And it's no wonder your body struggles to rebuild. You might be eating eggs, chicken, or even protein shakes, but without these nutrients, it's like trying to start a car with no spark plugs. Here's where liver fixes that problem naturally. It provides those missing cofactors in perfect balance. The B vitamins help convert the protein you eat into usable amino acids. Zinc and iron help your body absorb and distribute those amino acids where they're needed, your muscles. Creatine, which your body can make more efficiently with the nutrients in liver, helps your muscle cells store energy for strength and endurance. That's why people who start eating liver often notice they have more stamina and recover faster after activity. It's not magic, it's simple nutritional chemistry working the way it's supposed to. And let's clear something up. You don't need a 90 protein shake when nature already gave you one of the most complete protein sources on Earth. It just happens to taste a little less earthy, but that's a small price to pay for what it can do. Every bite is like taking a natural, perfectly balanced supplement designed by evolution itself. It's got everything your body needs to rebuild muscle, produce energy, and keep your metabolism humming along. If you really want to take things up a notch, combine liver with other high-quality animal proteins like eggs and red meat. Each one adds its own nutrients and amino acids, working together to create a full spectrum of nourishment. Then add a little resistance training, bodyweight exercises, light weights, or even just walking uphill. When you combine movement with proper nutrition, your body responds fast. It's like flipping a switch that's been off for years. And don't forget hydration and sleep. Both are essential for muscle recovery. When your body is properly nourished and rested, it can finally repair itself instead of just surviving. The changes you'll notice won't just be in your muscles. You'll feel it in your balance, your focus, your energy, even your mood. You don't need to overhaul your entire diet overnight. Just start by introducing small amounts of this one powerful food. Your body is incredibly intelligent. It knows how to heal when you give it the right tools. And when those tools come from real, whole food instead of a factory, the results speak for themselves. If you start adding this one simple food, your body will respond. Your grip strength, your energy, your posture, all begin to come back. That's how you turn back the muscle clock. I've seen 70-year-olds regain the ability to hike again, lift their grandkids, and get back to gardening, not because of a new supplement or magic pill, but because they finally started feeding their muscles what they actually needed. One man in his 70s told me he hadn't been able to climb stairs without holding the railing for years. After a few months of adding real, nutrient-dense protein to his diet and cutting out the junk, he said, "Doc, I walked up those steps like I was 40 again." That's not some miracle transformation. That's biology doing what it's supposed to do when you give it what it needs. I've had women in their 60s and 70s who thought muscle loss was just part of aging. They accepted weakness like it was their destiny. Then they started eating smarter, a little beef liver here, some eggs and red meat, less sugar, more movement, and suddenly their strength came back. One lady told me, "I can carry my laundry basket again without taking a break halfway." These little victories are actually massive. They mean the body is healing. They mean the clock isn't running out. It's being turned back. Consistency is what makes the difference. You can't eat liver once and expect to feel like Superman the next day. This isn't fast food. This is foundational nutrition. It's about giving your body steady, reliable building blocks over time. A few ounces of grass-fed liver each week, paired with real food, eggs, steak, butter, and low-carb vegetables, and you'll start noticing changes. Then add in simple resistance exercises, squats, push-ups, or just lifting light weights at home. Combine that with proper sleep and hydration, and you've got a recipe for real, lasting strength. The truth is, muscle loss doesn't happen overnight, and rebuilding it doesn't either. But every meal, every day, every choice adds up. When you consistently fuel your body with bioavailable protein and nutrient-rich foods, your metabolism wakes up, your energy rises, and your muscle cells start responding again. It's a slow burn that leads to big change. I always remind people, you don't lose muscle because you're aging. You lose it because you're starving your body of real nutrition. Somewhere along the line, society convinced us that eating less and avoiding red meat was the key to health. That's one of the biggest lies ever told in modern nutrition. Your body doesn't need less. It needs better. It needs dense, real, living nutrition that your cells actually recognize and can use. That's what makes the difference between decline and vitality. I can't count the number of people who've said to me, "I thought it was too late for me, Doc." They believed their best days were behind them. Then, a few months later, they come back standing taller, walking stronger, smiling more. It's not because of fancy treatments. It's because they started eating like humans again, not like the processed food industry told them to. When you give your body real food, it remembers exactly what to do with it. Here's something most people never think about: your muscles are made of living tissue. They're constantly repairing and rebuilding even as you read this. The problem is most people don't give them the raw materials to do the job right. You can't build a brick house out of straw, and you can't build strong muscle out of processed food and cereal. Real food, especially foods like liver, provides not only protein, but the full package of nutrients your body needs to make that protein count. That's bioavailability, that's nutrient synergy. Every vitamin, mineral, and amino acid in liver works together like gears in a well-oiled machine. When you eat this kind of food regularly, your digestion improves, your energy stabilizes, and your recovery speeds up. You don't feel that constant fatigue anymore. You sleep better. You wake up more alert. That's your body thanking you. It's proof that you're feeding it correctly for the first time in years. And let's not forget movement. You don't need to spend hours in a gym. Your body just needs a reason to stay strong. Even simple activities like walking, gardening, or lifting light weights are enough when combined with proper nutrition. Muscles grow when they're challenged and fed. That's it. No pills, no gimmicks. Just effort and nourishment. If you're someone who's been feeling weaker lately or noticing you're slowing down, I want you to know this isn't the end. Your body still wants to thrive. You just have to give it the right fuel. Get rid of the processed junk, the refined carbs, the fake protein shakes. Replace them with real ancestral food. The results will speak for themselves. Go get some grass-fed beef liver this week. Start small once a week. Maybe it's just 2 ounces mixed into ground beef or a few desiccated capsules a day. Watch what happens over the next few weeks. Stronger muscles, steadier energy, better focus, more confidence in your body. Real food heals, and this one might just be your best anti-aging secret. You're never too old to rebuild muscle. You just need to feed your body what it's been missing all along.